Welcome to the Master Cars Pro channel. Today we'll talk about the problems and weaknesses of Nissan Almera Tino. Based on the Almera hatchback, the Nissan Almera Tino is high-roofed, compact people carrier with seating for 5. It's certainly one of the better vehicles in its class to drive. Fuss-free and with very little body roll through the corners. It feels very light on its feel, although that agility disappears when you load it up with passengers and luggage. The heavier engine in diesel models also slightly upsets the otherwise for fire handling. It has strong mid-range acceleration, which makes for an easy drive, but isn't so good at lower revs. But comparison, the patrols need to be worked harder and can become quite noisy at high revs. The cabin is different from the basic Almeras with a dashboard that's dominated by bulbous shapes, but it's well laid out. There's plenty of handily storage dotted about, and the 3 adults can get reasonably comfy, but space is good. By the way, the rear suspension eats into the space, limits its practicality. Compact MPVs from mainstream car makers are designed to be practical transport for the family and usually aren't expensive to run. The Tino is no different. Its diesel engines provide the best fuel economy, with both the 110 and 134 bhp models delivering well over 440 mpg. By comparison, the 1.8 petrol unit's figure isn't acceptable at 38 mpg, but the 2.0 liter is thirsty, returning just 30 mpg. Official spare parts are well priced and readily available if you have an accident or need a replacement, and servicing the car is a straightforward task for a main dealer or independent garage. Reliability shouldn't be a problem either. The Tino once came best in class in the GD Power customer satisfaction survey. It's reckoned to be an even more trustworthy prospect than the standard Almera hatchback, which is thoroughly impressive in its own right. Overall, the Tino is a very reliable car, but we have heard of examples developing faulty airbag warning lights and a sticking clutch. 3 specific recalls have also affected the Tino. There is a problem on pre-2002 cars with the rear seatbelt buckles, and also with stalling caused by malfunctioning engine management sensors. Check down the side of the front chairs too. A section of the seat covering is prone to coming loose, which could leave a sharp metal edge dangerously exposed. That said, in terms of the materials used, the quality of the interior on the Tino is a definite step up from the Almeras. However, as with any family car, avoid examples with a tatty cabin caused by excessive abuse from children. Families can also mean dogs, so check out the boot for excessive wear and any lingering canny smells. Launched on a W plate in 2000, the car has 4 engines, 114 bhp, 1.8 and 136 bhp. 2.0 are petrols, while the 2 diesels are both 2.2s, but with 110 or 134 bhp. The diesels are best for high-speed hauling, and all are fine around town. However, our overall favorite is the 134 bhp diesel for its cruising ability and fuel economy. Trims start at the base S, which has remote central locking and a radio cassette, plus powered by front windows, mirrors and sunroof. However, would step up to the SE, which adds aircon, while SE2 gets alloys and a CD player, powered rear glass, and a CD changer are standard on the CE Plus, and a new trim SVE was introduced in April 2003 and includes satellite navigation and traction control. All cars come with twin front and side airbags, plus 3 proper seatbelts in the back. Plenty of Tinos were sold, so you should have precious little shopping around to find exactly the right model to suit you. Well, if you are the owner of this car, then please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your feedback that'll help viewers when choosing a car. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for attention. It isn't much work for you to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.